Here is another problem that you might be dealing with when building an outdoor deck and worried about water accumulating on a level surface, like a level pad you might be using for your stairway. And out of all the years I've been building stairs, I've never seen anyone slope a concrete pad and then just simply adjust the bottom of the stair stringers to compensate for it. But it would work. It would drain all of the water to one side and solve most of your problems. When I say most of your problems, let's face it, you could have other problems that you're dealing with that wouldn't allow something like this to work. So another thing that I've learned in my years of doing videos, research and home repairs, and that's really where you're going to learn the most if you're looking for it. I know there are plenty of people on YouTube, and I've seen them, who either have never done a home repair or really haven't spent enough time to realize that the information they're sharing in a video isn't going to help everybody. And to do something like this, everything else is going to be level, and you could always slope this surface too if you needed to and adjust the framing studs if you think that's going to work well for your project. So you will be starting with a level ledger or floor, whatever you're going to be attaching the stringers to. And then of course you can start with the standard measurement for the bottom and then level across to see what the difference will be and add that to the bottom of this stringer. And then go ahead and grab a level or straight edge so that you can measure the bottom of the other stringers. And keep in mind that you're going to be measuring from the opposite side of the sloping direction. Otherwise, you're going to end up with a problem. So you can see here where if I cut this flat, I'm going to have a gap here. And that's really not going to be that big of a deal. However, you can also calculate the angle that you would need for that. And hopefully that makes sense. And that is how you're going to pour a concrete pad that will have a difficult time accumulating water that could lead to potential wood rot in the future. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.